Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to use the crying filter on Instagram. You guys must have seen that the crying filter is quite popular as of now on Instagram, on TikToks, on Snapchat, on every possible media. Everyone is using the crying filter, and I'm gonna teach you how to use that crying filter on Instagram right now. So at first you must go into your Instagram account and you must go into the story that you want to keep. You can even click on this plus sign right here, or you can swipe left. So after you click there, you'll see the browse effect at the last, so you must click on that. So after you click on that, you must click on the search button. So on the search button, what you are going to type is crying, because we are searching for the crying button or the crying filter on Instagram. So we search crying and there will be many crying effects or filters right here. You click on any one you'd like and that will be on your story, or you can use that. You click on try it and you can use that on your story. You can click photos, videos, whatever you like, and you click on this and the photo or the video that you have clicked will be saved. You can even save it to your story, your close friends, or you can even post it by saving it all over. So I believe I've taught you guys how to use the crying filter on Instagram, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.